If you want to make a website blazingly fast, let me show you how you can go from a Claritee wireframe to a finished site in Webflow very fast. So first of all, in Claritee, you can assemble these wireframes extraordinarily quickly with just drag and drop, and you can customize everything. You can move things around, however you want to make it. If you're working with Webflow, you simply have to grab any section, and up here at the top, you have the option to click copy and then click copy to Webflow. Now, I'm going to come over to Webflow. I already have a site all ready to get started with, a blank site, and I'm just going to simply paste what I've copied in there. And now it shows up exactly as I have in Claritee. So a great workflow to use if you're working with agency clients, for example, is instead of spending all this time developing a site only to have your customer want to make significant changes and you waste a lot of time and budget, you can create a sitemap and a wireframe quickly in Claritee, deploy that as a sort of iterative prototype, get the client approval. Once you've done that, now you have the approval, you know exactly what you're moving forward with. You can assemble that in Webflow rapidly.